Is the IBM Data Analyst course on Coursera actually worth your time and money? Or is it just another certificate with limited real-world value? In this video, I'll explain what the course teaches, who it's best suited for, and whether it truly helps you build practical data skills. The IBM Data Analyst course on Coursera is designed to teach the core skills needed for entry-level data analysis roles. You learn how to work with spreadsheets, SQL databases, Python for data analysis, data visualization, and basic statistics. These are skills that many employers actively look for. The course is structured around hands-on lessons and real exercises, so you're not just watching videos. You're working with datasets and practicing tasks that reflect real analysis work. This course is a strong option for beginners or people switching careers into data analysis. It starts with the basics and builds gradually, which helps reduce overwhelm. It's also useful if you want a recognized certificate, since the IBM name and structured curriculum can add credibility to your resume compared to unstructured online learning. However, it's important to be realistic. Completing the course and earning the certificate alone will not guarantee a job. Most data analyst roles expect you to demonstrate real projects and explain your thinking clearly. If you don't practice outside the course, build your own analyses, or apply your skills to realistic business problems, you may still struggle to explain what you can do. To get real value from this course, treat it as a foundation. Apply what you learn to datasets you find online or topics you care about, and turn that work into a simple portfolio with clear explanations. That kind of proof is what employers actually review. If you want to explore the IBM Data Analyst course and see what's included with Coursera Plus in your country, I'll leave my link in the description. Quick heads up, Coursera Plus Annual is currently discounted to $96 for the year for a limited time, which can be worth it if you plan to complete multiple data courses. Thanks for watching.